Welcome to Home of Math. Set notation roster to set builder method. Exercise 1.1. We are following Tony Beresworth Additional Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE and O Level. Let's start. Our first question. Here number A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Once we see these kinds of number, we can directly say numbers are natural and even. So set A, we can write x element of n such that x is even and natural, and we can write x is greater than or equal to and less or equal 10. Okay, so number A done. Then number B, here is mentioned B is a set which element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so this one also we can write numbers are natural. Okay, but here is a problem. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 is sequence, but here is 6, here is 12. This one is like, look, 12 we can write 1 times 12. Also we can write 2 times 6. Also we can write 3 times 4. Okay, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So this is a factor of 12. So we can write and factor of 12. So as per set builder method, we can write B equals to x element of n such that x is a factor of 12. Okay, number B done. Number C, C is a set which element is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. This is very interesting thing. Look, here first element is 1, second element is 3, third element is 6. So these types of thing we can say it's a triangular number. Triangular number. What does mean? Look, I can denote like this: 1, 2. Again here is 1, 2 and 3. Here is a point, so a right side a point, a right side a point, left side a point. This one also same, left side a point, right side a point. This one is a point, left side is a point, again right side is a point. Similar for this one, left, right. This one left, right. This one, this is a left and this is a right, and this is a left for this one and right. Now look, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. But now look, 1, 3. So first two number once we add it will become 3, and next 3 once we add 1, 2, 3, it means 6. Once you add another 1, it will become 10. Once you add another 5, this will become 15. It means, very simple way, we can say x equals to n times n plus 1 divide 2. How? If you consider n equals to 2, so x equals to, we can write 2 times 2 plus 1 divide 2. So 2 and 2 we can out. So 2 plus 1, it will become 3. Look, n term is 2 equals to 3 and here is a 3. Similar, this is 15. Which term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see, n equals to 5. So x equals to, we can write 5 times 5 plus 1 divide 2. Right? Then look, 5 times 5 plus 1 is a 6 divide 2. So 6 we can divide by 2. See, this is 3. So 5 times 3 is a 15 and this is 15. It means you can summation last 3 number, you will get next one. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will become 6. Similar, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you will get 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get 10. So this one we can write like this: all the number are natural and this is triangular, or we can say these are triangular number. So we can write like this: C equals to x element of n such that x equal n times n plus 1 divide 2, and also we can say n is a element of n and this is less or equal 1 and 5 or less x. So x is greater or equal 1 and x is less or equal 5. Okay, this one we can write. So it's looking complex, but don't worry, once you make practice you will easily solve the answer in the examination hall. So number A, B and C done. Number D. D is a set which element is 1, 4, 9, 16 dot dot dot. Look, here is a 1, here is a 4, here is a 9, here is a 16. So look, it's a very simple thing. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. So all are perfect square. So we can write D is a set which element x is a natural number, okay, such that x equals to n square, right? N also a natural number because answer is a natural number, and perfect square. Or if you want, you can omit n square, you can write only perfect square. Or if you want x equals to perfect square, this is also enough. If you want, you can also write x equals to n square, and in word perfect square no need, anything you can write. So number D done. Now number E. Here is 15, 13, 19, 11 and 17. So what is this? So we can write E equals to 15, 13, 19, 11, 17. All number are what? All number are natural. Natural and prime number. Is it true? No, it's not true, because 15 is not a prime number. So you should careful. We can write this one. All the number are natural number and odd number, right? Look, here is 11, 13, 15, 19, 17. All are odd number. Okay, so we can write like this. E is a set, X is an element of n, all prime number, no, all odd number, sorry, all odd number and less than 10 and less than 20. Between 10 to 20, all odd number in here, like 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So our answer is between 10 to 20, all odd number. Okay, so number E done. Number F. Here is a set F equals to, so 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 0. Okay, now here is very important things. We are saying that here is 0 and here is 0. So for this 0, it's a non-negative integer. So we can say all numbers are non-negative integer. Okay, and the result will be x plus y equals to 5. How? Look, 0 plus 5 equals to 5, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, suppose 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So all the result become x plus y equals to 5. So for this one we can write like F is a set, okay, and here is x and y element of what? Non-negative integer, right, such that it will be x plus y equals to 5. Okay, and this is our answer. Number F done. So we already complete A, B, C, D, E, F, and our final math, which is a big math, we can copy in here, no need to write second time. So number Z is very important. Look, here is here is a set and here is A, B, C. For this one we can think a very important matter. Suppose if we consider a triangle like a right angle, okay, suppose 3, 4, 5. Look, last one is the bigger, right? 5, 13, 10, 25 and 17. So if you consider a right angle, suppose we know AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, right? So ABC as per Pythagoras theorem. So we can write, look, AC square it means 5 square, right? And AB square means, AB means what? 3 square. And BC square means 4 square. Look, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, which equals to 25. 25 it means 5 square. So this one we can say the numbers are natural and we can say all the and following, right? Following Pythagorean triples, right? So G just said we can write A, B, C is an element of natural number and it's a square plus B square equals to C square. Okay. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 math based on roster to set builder method. And last video we are solving question 1, which is which also have very important things. Set notation, list members of the following sets. That sets we already did, and this video we are trying to solve roster to set builder methods, exercise 1.1 additional mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE and O Level. And we are in chapter 1, set language and notation, and the book's writer name Tony Braceworth for O Level book. So please subscribe my channel, and we are trying to solve this book step by step. Thank you.